everyone, I am Bhavya Sasdeva and I am currently working as a technical writer in Signos. And apart from that, I love attending conference, doing networking, and giving talks. Yeah, that's about me. Ayush, would you like to introduce yourself?
Hey folks, Ayush this side. I work as a COO at VMake Devs. So basically, managing all the operations and stuff at VMake Devs. And I also, freelance on DevOps side. So, basically technical stuff, technical writing as well, and all the other DevOps related stuff. Here at KubeCon, I think, we have seen booths with more of observability based tools, right? So if I want to quote some, let's say New Relic, Dynatrace, there are tools wherein we see more observability side of things. But when you look at the schedule of the talk, let's say, we see more talks being driven towards AI, right? We see generative AI talks, we see talks based on LLM and all. Yep, I guess that's it. Bhavi, do you have any thoughts?
Yeah, so it's like AI in everything. Like, if you're talking about observability, there are various startups that are integrating AI in their product itself. And in like in Bossum as well, I like heard from Shive that they are also integrating AI and everything. So it's around AI observability, and it's very good to hear from Keynote that LF India, like LF India, is coming in 2025. So that will be very good for Indian economy.
And if you were asking for tips, I would say you should be here with a proper schedule, right? You should structure what you want to do for 2 days. You should not only run for, let's say, swags, I would say. You should focus more on networking because, you should be utilizing this chance to get as many folks, let's say, contacts as you can. What can be the third point? I have been to other conferences. I have been to KubeCon China and all, but the space here is really good. You should also have, you should enjoy yourself while doing all these stuff. Sharing about yourself is the key point here because folks would be interested to know if you're talking to someone, they would be interested to know about you, what you do. Focus more on that rather than only running for few things. I think the structuring is really good, so no feedback on that. There were good talks aligned, but there's one thing I saw in KubeCon China. They had fun activities after the first day of the KubeCon was finished. I didn't see that in here, but we have a good culture in India. Maybe if we could give some, let's say not knowledge, but maybe share some facts about that after the first day is finishing or the second day is finishing. That would interest folks in fun activities as well. Maybe that would interest me as well.
Yeah, so according to me, like if you're talking about tips, so make sure to attend keynotes because when you are attending keynotes, you came to know the latest things in the industry, latest trend. So make sure to attend keynotes. Plus, there are lots of talks, running simultaneously. So make sure to attend those talks in which you have more interest. Like if you want to attend GitOps talk and all, so make sure to schedule that before the KubeCon, so it will be easy for you. And if you're talking about feedback, I feel everything is good as it is my first KubeCon, so I'm enjoying. Yeah, that's all from my side.